Today was one of the most craziest days in the market by far, but that doesn't mean we can't make money tomorrow. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top stocks that I'm looking at immediately after this correction. But before we go ahead and start this video, I'm going to need you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post. All right, so first of all, this is my favorite part of the video. Like always, I just want to show some love to the family. So first of all, we got Brock Duncan 2269. He says this is a better time to post. Brock, major salute to you. I just want to let you know I have read your comment and I will definitely be posting earlier now. Same goes for everyone who's been telling me to post earlier. I got you guys. By just clicking on this video, hope you guys know that I've already got a video editor hired up and we also got a thumbnail designer. So hopefully we got new graphics on the channel. Maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, but I'm spending a ton of money to help you guys out on this YouTube channel. So guys, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Next comment we got is from Europop. He says, let's go. Europop, major salute to you. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready to run up this YouTube channel, man. This is going to be so much fun, man. Okay, next up we have Standard Puddle 6143. Says timely info about the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Thanks, Rocky. Yep, guys, if you didn't know, yesterday we went over the FOMC meeting tomorrow. I just wanted to let everyone know what's up with the market, right? So, you know, by watching this channel, hopefully you were into the market, you were tapped in, and then you saw that there was a FOMC meeting that sort of caused a sell-off. Okay, so hopefully you got the tools you needed to be prepared. Okay, as always, make sure you guys use me as a tool in your trades. Okay, don't just take my advice, use me as a tool. You know, get your information, get in, get out, right? Next up we have Rufus Harvey 5689. He says, I've been following you for a couple of weeks and I'm glad I came across the page. Rufus, thank you, thank you, thank you. Major salute to you. And Rufus, I won't let you down, okay? I'm gonna keep on posting on this YouTube channel. That was all the comments today, guys, because we have a ton to talk about. Let's go. Guys. Listen, we have to be talking about one of the biggest moves down for the S&P 500 in the whole year today, okay? The S&P 500 is down nearly 3% today, and it looks like it's on its way to rebound, but we have to be talking about levels. We're down 3%. Now we have to go ahead and make the levels. This is going to be important because we use what we have in trading beforehand. We make the plan, then we go ahead and trade the plan. So the levels are always going to change no matter what. If it's a different day, there might be different levels. So today's video is going to update you on all the levels on all the different stocks, especially some stocks you've never heard about. Okay, so we're looking at the S&P 500. Guys, take a look at this. The S&P 500 made its lows of 583. 583 is marked in my charts as the support for any kind of bounce that we may get tomorrow, okay? I'm anticipating a high bounce tomorrow just because of the major sell-offs of everything across the board today. And our resistance level is going to be 588. So you could see the S&P 500 is worth 587.72 right now. Guys, take a look at this. 588 is going to be our resistance. I'm going to be expecting SPY to be in a range of 588 to 583. That's my sort of range. If we go out, we're going to go ahead, take a look at calls. If we go down, we're going to be taking a look at making money on the downside of the market. Remember guys, we can make money on the way up and we can also make money on the way down. So we could play this both ways. S&P 500 is down 2.5% on the week. On the 1 month, it is up 0.43%. Basically on the S&P 500, all the gains from this month just got erased. But don't worry, we have so much opportunity ahead of us. Family, let's go ahead and talk about Tesla stock right now. Tesla is sitting at $442.63 on the day. It is down 8%, up 0.57% overnight. Guys, this is such a huge move, but don't worry guys, whenever there's a huge run up on a stock, usually it's followed by a correction, and today we got a huge correction. This is what all the stocks needed temporarily to keep it healthy, guys. Remember, green days don't exist without red days. Right now, we have some resistance at Tesla at the $445 mark, and we got some support at $428. So see right here, Tesla dipped all the way down to $429. I immediately went to my charts and saw that Tesla has some support at $429. And you guys know that Tesla has been bullish, okay? There's been a huge rally on Tesla. I wouldn't even be surprised if Tesla went from red today all the way to green tomorrow. Every dip on Tesla has been getting bought. Take a look at this, guys. On the options side, you're gonna see that a ton of premiums went up 400% today. Okay, so for those who bought puts, major salute to you. Congratulations on your trades. A lot of puts are up 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, thousands of percents, guys. It doesn't even stop there. It went from 1,000 to 2,000% for those who played the indices puts. Okay, so ton of potential on those option, guys, but I'm gonna be looking for a bounce tomorrow on Tesla, so I'm gonna be looking for a break of 445. If we stay in the 428 and 445 range, I will just wait until one side breaks off. But let coach know if you bought any sort of dips on your favorite stocks today, because remember, when they panic, we pounce, guys. Right now, there's a huge opportunity to buy all the stocks that you love down below at a cheap price. Think of today as a discount day to buy all of your favorite stocks at a cheaper price. Family, for those who want more context, let's go ahead and take a dive into the charts for the first time. Okay, so right here we have the Tesla chart pulled up. It is down 8%, as you guys can see right there, but we have this huge red candle. Okay, if you haven't heard already, everyone, and I mean everyone, is talking about the annual Santa rally. If you guys don't know what a Santa rally is, it's basically the run of the stocks. They want to go ahead, run it up near the Christmas time, and it happens always on December, usually at the end of the year. Take a look at this. Okay, Tesla made a high, what is called a wick. Okay, so you guys are looking at a bunch of candlesticks on this candlestick chart. Usually you would see on your brokerage or the app that you use a line. Okay, a ton of traders like me switch the line to the candlestick to understand more about price action in the market. So if we take a look right here, let's go ahead and get another horizontal line. Let's mark this bottom of this wick as the support. So basically you see there, I marked 427.40, basically 428. Okay, as I said earlier, we're going to be looking in this range to see whether or not Tesla breaks out or makes a lower move. If it breaks out, okay, if I see 448 being broken out, I'm thinking of calls. Okay, if Tesla goes below 428, I'm going to be thinking, looking at puts, right? But usually the case for Tesla has always been bullish. Every dip that we've seen this week always gets bought up. Like yesterday, if you don't remember yesterday, I believe Tesla went around 430, like right here, somewhere there, and then the dip immediately got bought back up. So for the bulls case, Tesla looks ready again. Okay, it needs its cool off, guys. Everyone wants to shake you out before the Santa rally. So to those who are looking for dips, okay, I don't want to see no people say they didn't buy when the dip happened, because we got a huge dip in front of us. We did our due diligence last night, right? We saw that there's a FOMC meeting. We took a step back, looked at the markets, and then when we got this opportunity right now, we're gonna pounce in. Okay, consider taking a look at Palantir Technologies with me too. We're at 72.51 on the day. It is down nearly 4%, up 1.5% overnight. Family, we go over Palantir Technologies a ton on this channel. Take a look at this right now. The low of the day, let's take a look, is 70.50. And what was coach talking about in the past week's videos? Palantir Technologies loves to bounce on those increments of $10 specifically. Okay, right now you're seeing 70.50, right? You're seeing 70.50 on the chart, and what they do, Palantir bounce. Okay, take a look at the 1 week chart. Palantir is now up 1% on the week. Take a look at this. Whenever it goes 72.96, there's a bounce, guys. Another bounce here, 72.57, and at $71, guys. So we're really close to the bounce range. I want to keep an eye on Palantir Technologies tomorrow. This stock has been absolutely bullish. Take a look at this high of day on Palantir Technologies, $77, guys. Everyone wants to fake you out before the rally comes, so don't get faked out, guys. And look at this, Palantir Technologies was down in the pre-market, but as soon as the market opened, it went higher. So I'm going to be taking a look at calls for Palantir as well, guys. I'm going to go ahead, hit trade. I'm going to look at the December 27 calls. Okay, so let's go over here. $75 calls are worth 170. Okay, 177, 170, basically the same thing. IV is sitting at 68%, so pretty good looking, right? Palantir, you get that bounce, make your money, get in, get out. Let's go to the charts, guys. I want you to take take a close look at Palantir's chart. We're sitting at 71.46 in the after hours. I want to go ahead, mark some supports and resistances, so let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the horizontal line to mark my support, and we could see that there's some support at this level of $70, guys. Remember, I always talk about the 10 increments over here, so we got one support at $70, and we got to go ahead and mark up the resistances as well. Okay, so for the next resistance, I see another clear resistance at a $5 increment, so that is going to be $75, guys. And in this range right here, we are trading between $70 and $75, so you're going to see Palantir trade a lot between these $5 increments. Okay, if you see right here, we get a bounce between $71 and $74 often, so I'm going to expect to see a reversal coming, guys. Take a look at this. Whenever Palantir dips, the dip ends up being bought up, and right now we are in a dip right here at 71.48. So I'm going to be taking a look at taking calls at open for Palantir in 10 minutes, and then I'm going to be looking for a move towards $75. Okay, guys, we are just going to be going over the last stocks right now. We have ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia, guys, is at 130.65. If we take a look down at the low of the days was bought up at 126. So this is essentially going to be my support line. Okay, my resistances for Nvidia is going to be at the 132 level. My support is going to be 126. So if it come down to 126 tomorrow, I'll see if there's a bounce. If not, I'm going to be looking to play puts if it goes to like 124, for example. So I want you guys to keep out on the lookout for Nvidia. Still a very bullish stock, and we also got AMD as well. But if we take a look at the 1 week chart, Nvidia is down 3% in the past week. On the 1 month, it is down 8%. Okay, that is a ton of percentage to go back down, but we can always play the downside too, guys. Remember, we could make money on the way up as well as make money on the way down. Now let's go ahead and go into AMD stock. All right, guys, we are in ticker symbol AMD right now, and I already have a plan for the stock. Okay, I'm taking a look for a break over 122 for calls for AMD. So if you look right here, AMD was at 127 midday, and then it went crashing down to 120. Okay, so we also have some support in the 120 areas, guys. Like I said earlier, I'm looking for stocks to rebound tomorrow after a huge 3% drop in the indices. Okay, so on the 1 week, AMD is down 4%. On the month, it is down 12%. So definitely looking for AMD to rebound. This is where I'm going to be looking for those $5 increments on calls, right? And I'm also gonna give myself time as well. There is so much opportunity tomorrow with this huge dip, guys. Listen, family, coach wanted to let you all in on the plays. Get ready for tomorrow. Listen, we make videos like this every day. If you like this one, make sure to check out the next one. Do me a favor and don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.